Hey traders, welcome to a new video where I'm trying to learn you each time something new. Today we're going to talk about the CCI indicator together with trend lines, and we want to scalp on the 5-minute chart. So if we are going to add this indicator, CCI, it's really nice, this indicator, because you use price action, and price action is, I think it should be your main focus on trading. And you use an indicator to have a confirmation that you have a good entry or not. I think in the end that will make you the most profit. Okay, so I've added this indicator. We don't have to change anything. And what we want to see is zones, what we can draw in like this. This is a trend line, which I've drawn in like this, because it touches it 1, 2, 3 times. After the second time, you also have a confirmation that the wick is really high. So you have a lot of sellers coming in. They don't want you to go any higher. And the CCI is overbought. It's above the 100. So that indicates that you probably have a reversal. So what you can do is take a short position right after this one closed, and you see that it goes down, it goes down, it goes down. You can literally just go there or above the last swing high, and that is here. I literally ignore a wick like that because it doesn't make any sense. You can go 1.5 or something, and that is that's an entry what you can take purely by drawing in your trend lines, using the CCI as a confirmation that it is overbought. What you can also do is draw lines with it. Like here you see also something going on right there. Let me remove this one. When you see something like this happening, I already draw it in after the third one. And you can also see that the CCI also has these points. So why wouldn't you go short after the third or fourth point? So you can take a short position right here after rejection. You can take it right here after the rejection. But don't go for too long on it. I think 4 bounces off a resistance line. After that, it's getting weaker each time. So I would not recommend going longer than that. So it broke out right here. So this is a live price, so it might bounce off this one, but we drawn in this line, and look how far this away is from this line. So we will not get a confirmation about it. So it can go lower than that. So I would not take an entry right there. It might work out, but I don't have the confirmation, and I'm always looking for confirmations depending on which indicator I'm using. But for now, if I use the CCI, I would not take this entry. So let me show a few more. If you also want to use BYBIT like we do, because of the low fees, click the link down in the description below. You can get up to $600 in bonus, and you will help us out as well. So down in the description there's a link for you. What is also nice with the CCI is that you can draw in divergences. These are one of the main things what I use in scalping. So right here, you see the top to the other top, it's going up clearly. And from there to here, it went down a little bit. So that is a hidden divergence, a bearish one, because you look at the top of the price. It's a bullish one where you go to the lowers. Well, and as you can see, it respected it completely. So that will be a nice entry right there. Let me look for another example. Right here we have another divergence, clearly. It's a bearish regular divergence. Price is going up. The CCI is going down to that point. And after this one, it went down completely. So you can still take, after the confirmation candle, you can still take a short position right there. You set your stop loss above the last swing high. You would have gained quite so much. So right here I see another regular divergence. it's really close to each other. You have a high here and a high there. So this one goes up, and as you can see on CCI, it goes down clearly. And after that, the price just goes down a little bit. And after it touched the minus 100 line. Could have gotten out and had a nice profit right there. On the same screen, you can also see a bullish divergence. As you can see right there, this goes lower. And the price from there to there went higher. So this is purely where you base your stop loss on. But if you just, like most of the people do, if you take your entry after a confirmation that it goes back up, you put it right there, you set it on the last swing low, like there, you wouldn't have been stopped out. And well, you could have taken 5% profit, but of course you would not make that. You could have gone out right here. You could have run down the road. It's all up to you, but it would be a nice position to take. And it's again by a divergence. Divergence is just the key of trading, really. Learn it. It's really simple. Just put some time into it. It's really cool. Right here. I'm just scrolling down the trading view and you can see a lot of them. So the price goes down, the CCI goes up, and what does the price? It goes up. And we are scalping, so we are not going into it a whole day. So maybe 10-15 candles after that, take your profit, it's fine. Be happy with your profit. Be happy with the percentage that you can gain in one day. It's really important. So yeah, let me look for another one. So right here we see a trend being made, like here. It started here, touched it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. That's a lot, but we could have drawn it already right here. So when the next time it touches, you can see that it got rejected after it, and the CCI is overbought. So that is a nice scalp right there, going that short. But if we extend the trend line, you can see it right there again. Wait for it, wait until it touches the trend line. Now you have two confirmations. It's above the 100 line, so it's overbought, and that is a nice point to take a short position. Where do you set your profit? All up to you. But you can just go 0.4 and 0.6. I really like this combo, but that's up to you. But this is just learning you to how to use the CCI, at least how I'm using it. So if you extend it again, you can see right here again. It's actually so simple if you backtest it. But yeah, live trading is more complicated, but you can see how you can take these entries. It got rejected instantly after that. Right here, it's overbought, so you can take an entry right there. You can take it right there after the next one time it tries it. But still, you can take a nice swing down. And after that, just stop. It's already touched like 5 times. It's already too much to use this one. Just scalp it 2 times and then it's done. Then you got your profit of the day, right? I think this is it, guys. It's just, actually it's pretty basic, but learn this. Spot these divergences. Please do that in your trading. If you can spot them, like just scan the market. If you can see all of them, just keep drawing them in. It's really important, and you can see that it works. It really works. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like 90% of our views is not subscribed, so we would really appreciate it. And like I said in the video, if you are willing to use BYBIT, please use our referral code. It helps us out a lot, and it keeps us motivated to try and learn you all of these new strategies. I'll hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.